Hello friends, today we're going to talk about MyRadar. It's a great app you can get off the Android and the Apple Store, and I use it all the time. It is very versatile, and I just like how convenient and fast it is to get radar and weather for just about anywhere in the world. So once you get it downloaded, go ahead and click on it. So before, you're going to have to set a lot of settings in here, and once you get them set, you're going to be good to go. This is a take your finger, you can go anywhere you want, and then it's got the pinch option, and then you can zoom in. As you can see, we've got some action going on down here, and you can get pretty dang close to wherever you're at. If you I have it set on to forecast, so let's say you want to get you just put the crosshairs in any city that you want, and then you'll see the forecast banner across the top. You can pull that down. It's going to give you the next couple of the first hour of possibility of rain. It's going to give you an hourly forecast. It's going to give you a week at glance, and then there's your 5-day and current conditions. And just scroll that back up, and it'll take you back to the radar. So the first thing you need to do is go down. There's lots of options across the bottom bar here. First, you're going to want to go to the octagon looking map, and you're going to see the different kinds of maps that you can have. Remember, this is the free version. So there's a map option, and then there's a satellite option, which we'll just go and check that out. Hit done. And now you have satellite here. So another option down here is the stack of papers. There's going to be several different options that you can use. The first thing to do is go to the very top slider and hit that. This is going to be your loop length and the animation intervals. I have mine set at 5 minutes. And speed. And then back down here, you're going to see something called Global Satellite Enhancement. Go ahead and click that on. That's going to give you radar all over the world. Some places don't have radar, so they'll incorporate satellite, and then you should have full coverage. Okay, some of the other things you can do, this top one is your forecast like I showed you before. You can add wind. We'll just do that for fun. Temperatures, clouds, warnings. We have that set. If people add photos, you're going to be able to do that. Aviation levels, that is very deep. Right here, you can go to the side. You're going to have all kinds of different things that you can look and see what pilots use. Earthquakes, I said they'll alert you or any earthquake, especially if you're in an earthquake-prone state. And even storm chasers, which will put live video feeds as they're out there chasing storms, and you can click onto that, and it'll show you an icon, and you can go right along with them. So very versatile, very versatile. If you're in the air, now here we go, we got the winds kicking in now, as you can see. So there's all kinds of information and overlays that you can really get a lot of details. And like I said, if you're going to Panama City today, you can pinch in here and then get some fine details. As you can see right here, we have some shaded areas. These are watches or warnings, and once you see one of those, you can actually click on and see what's going on. They have a tropical storm warning and a storm surge warning. So you can click onto one of those, and now you have a detailed report of what's. You're going to get the weather from any one of your destinations and anywhere, and future 5-day forecast if you're going on a cruise. And it's great when you're on a cruise, because you can see the upcoming weather at any islands or anything like that. So anyway, this is a great, versatile, fast, quick, easy, on the run, a really deep app. And this, remember, I'm using the free app. I'm not paying any extra money for it. So I really enjoy it, and I hope you guys do too. So everybody have a great day.